Hey guys, Phil here from PRC Taping with another video for you today. I'm going to be talking about how to properly clean and maintain your Columbia flat boxes. This goes for your 5.5 all the way up to your 14-inch box. We're going to talk about the blades, we're going to talk about the shoes, we're going to talk about a couple wheel kits, and we're going to talk about oiling your gaskets in this quick video. So again, this video is going to be very similar to the video previously on the nail spotter, because the nail spotter is just a miniature version of a flat box, but we're going to get more into a few more details on other things in terms of maintenance kits on your flat boxes. So I'm going to get started here and talk about how important it is, and I stress this on every video, how to oil your gaskets. I'm going to open this up and show you how important it is to oil it up. And you can see here from the factory, that's nice and oiled up, ready to go. And you want to make sure it looks like this after you've run it, after you've cleaned it. You want to make sure you're always oiling that. In terms of cleaning it, so after you're done running a tool like this, you want to make sure you open it up, and I would clean this box right on site. Not every box I would, but the 5.5, the 8, and the 10 I would clean on site. Maybe the bigger ones I'd put in a pail, bring home, and I clean those in either a wash basin or a pressure washer, whatever you prefer. But on site, really easy to do. You're going to pull this gasket out. You're going to take all the mud that's left inside of here. You're going to reuse that, put it in your bucket. You're going to clean this out with clean water. Make sure it's always clean, and you're getting in every little spot here, the edge of the blades, where the wheels are, even where these springs are. Take a brush, clean that all out. Now that your flat box is oiled up and cleaned up and ready to go, we're going to talk a little bit about a maintenance kit you can get for this, which I actually just installed on this flat box. It's brand new. It's a wheel conversion kit. Now this isn't really a maintenance kit, it's just an added thing you can add to your flat boxes. So as you can see here, there's a hole there. There used to be a bar here with wheels on the outside of the edge of the blade. I just converted this to an inside track box, which is pretty cool. You can change any of your regular boxes into an inside track box with that kit. The link will be down here. I just installed it here. It's pretty easy to install. Takes less than 10 minutes, and you got a really cool inside track box on that. So here are a few other maintenance kits you can get for your flat boxes. This is the box shoes maintenance kit. Again, they all have the QR code on the back, and Aaron shows how to change that. And then you can get a pack of blades, which is pretty cool. They come in a pack of 5. I randomly just grabbed here an 8-inch box kit, but you can see here that shows the size on the back of all the sizes they carry. And again, with every maintenance kit, there's a QR code. Scan that. Aaron will show you how to properly change those. So that was just a quick video on how to properly clean and maintain your Columbia flat boxes, a couple maintenance kits, and the new wheel conversion kit you can add to your flat boxes. Thanks for watching, everybody.